I'm back in Bangalore, and last time I have another 1 day to go. So I'm planning another ride. This time I'm going to the Hills. And today's ride is also from the Royal Brothers, and I can show you what I'm riding today. That's Royal Enfield 350X, and I have Rohan with me on his GS 150 with his wife accompanying us today. So I'm not going to give a long interview, I've delayed already by 2 hours. So on the way I'm going to explain where we are going and why we are going, and I'll catch you later. Let's ride. Chalo. Guys, so this is the first stop we have taken for the breakfast, and time is 9:10 a.m. So hopefully we will make it to Mahadeshwara and come back on time. Otherwise I'm going to screw up because I'm not going to get my bus to go back to Goa. Today I'm riding Royal Enfield 350X. This has come from Royal Brothers. Go and check their website. Royal Brothers, they're good. Conveniently you can rent a bike from them. I took this yesterday. I picked this up yesterday evening. Taken a small stop, so by the time Rohan is installing his camera, so he has not put an app, so he's putting an app. So we have some time to talk, so what we thought is I'm using a lot of source. I'll just show you how I'm recording right now. This is the helmet I've got on rent, but I couldn't fit my camera on top of this. I don't have a stand which can be mounted on this. I can't fit my camera on this directly, so I have a head strap. So what I've done is I put the head strap on the helmet and then I put my camera on that. And right now what I'm using is the GoPro shorty. I mounted the camera on the shorty. So when I'm recording myself, I can use the shorty. When I'm recording the ride, I put the camera on my helmet with the head strap. This is the first time I'm trying GoPro 8. GoPro 8 I bought this couple of days ago. I got my camera, so I've not experimented much with that. So don't mind if I'm using I don't use the entire functionality. The other important thing, other experiment I'm looking is the lav mic. This is a lav mic installed right here, if you can see that. There's a lav mic I've just put on my helmet, and that's routed to my phone. So I'm recording the audio on my phone, and in the post-processing I'm expecting that I'll sync up. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I know it's very difficult to sync up because I'm having short video clips, and this audio I'm continuously recording, whatever blah 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 I'm talking, I'm recording. So to filter everything out and to sync it with the video is going to be a pain. I know that, but I'll try doing it. So next time I would like to do is I'll get an adapter for my GoPro so that I can connect my mic directly to the GoPro. Mic has 3.5 mm jack, so I have to use some kind of an adapter which is rare for the GoPro, which is quite I'm not sure whether it is worth it or not. So I'll try to find some adapter which can help me connect this microphone directly to the GoPro. I'm using the backup battery, second battery. I don't know, probably it's halfway through, 70% or 60-70% left. So let's see. That's the setup I'm using, and that's my ride. It's still beautiful. The bike is performing really well, and the roads are good. Next 80 kilometers as well. We got around 140 kilometers left for us to reach. So probably we'll reach 12:30ish or maybe 1 o'clock. 12:31 we'll reach. And till now we are safe and we are nice, and we will be safe for the next part of the ride as well. So you all enjoy the ride, enjoy the video. Thanks for watching the Global Pro. give you an update. I finished my ride yesterday at 9 and I boarded a bus at 9:30 to come to Goa, and I'm right now traveling to Goa. A couple of hours I'll be home. Do like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.